Hey, my name is Blaval and today I'm gonna talk about sessions. A session is a way to store information in variables to be used across multiple pages. Unlike a cookie, the information is not stored on user's computer. When you work with an application, you open it and do some changes and then you close it. This is much like a session. The computer knows who you are, it knows when you start the application and when you end it up. But on the internet, there is a one big problem. The web server doesn't know who you are or what you do because the HTTP address doesn't maintain the state. Session variables solve this problem by storing user information to be used multiple across pages. It can be username, your favorite color. By default, session variables last until the user closes the browser. So session variables hold the information about one single user and available to all pages in one application. PHP sessions are global arrays, so we can access it by declaring session start function at the top of our file. So let's create an HTML5 syntax, and in the body tag we can create another PHP tag here, and in this tag we can say session your favorite color will be green and session favorite animal will be cat. Echo out the session is set now, and let's boot up the PHP server. Now looking in the browser, it says your session is set now. Now we can access those variables in any other file of PHP, so let's create a new file, and in that file we can say session start. So let's create HTML, and in that create PHP tag and say echo out your favorite color is session favorite color that we have created in previous file, and BR for extra line. So echo out your favorite animal is session animal. If we take a look at the browser now, change the URL to our second file that was index2.php, and it says your favorite color is green. Let's put some extra space here. So it says now your favorite color is green and your favorite animal is cat. Remember one thing, that you can only access those sessions variables in the same project. So if you want to change the color of green, you can say session favorite color will be yellow. So the color is changed now. For some reason, if you want to destroy the session, don't want user to see the information, you can destroy the session by unset all the variables of session and destroy the session. So it says undefined index because sessions are destroy because we are accessing undefined keys to our global arrays. In real life cases, sessions are mostly used for when user performs some secure action on the website and it redirects back the user to login page with a message. That message is stored in the session. So sessions mostly check if user is authenticated or not.